Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make center fresh. First, gather your ingredients, starting with the gum base. Combine 100 grams of gum base with 50 grams of powdered sugar in a bowl. Next, add 10 milliliters of corn syrup to the mixture. This helps achieve the right elasticity. Mix all these components thoroughly until you have a smooth, pliable gum dough. This forms the essential foundation for your chewing gum. Now, let's focus on the exciting liquid center. In a separate small bowl, combine 20 milliliters of glycerin with 5 grams of your chosen flavoring extract, like mint or fruit. To give it a little body, add 5 grams of powdered sugar and mix well. You want this liquid to be smooth and consistent, without any lumps, as it will be the burst of flavor inside your gum. This core is what makes it truly special. With both components ready, it's time for assembly. Take small portions of your gum base and roll them into flat, thin pieces, roughly 2 inches by 2 inches. Carefully place a small drop, about 0.5 milliliters, of your liquid center onto the middle of each flattened gum piece. Now, gently fold the gum base over the liquid and meticulously seal all the edges. This ensures the liquid remains perfectly contained inside. For the final touches, lightly coat each sealed gum piece with a thin layer of powdered sugar. This prevents sticking and adds a pleasant texture. Let your freshly made center-filled gum pieces cool and set for at least 30 minutes at room temperature. This allows them to firm up properly before you enjoy them. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check out the description below. Enjoy your homemade center fresh gum.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.